decluttering is boring. No, it's not. Decluttering is exciting. What's boring is opening up your drawers and seeing a mess in there every time you look. What's boring is opening up the closet and seeing all that stuff in there. Boring, making you feel ugh. I don't know what word to use for you, but I'm telling you that that's boring. Not getting it taken care of. That is the most exciting thing. Once you do it, trust me on this. It's like jumping into the pool for the first time. It's a little scary, but once you get in there and you get the feel of the water, then it's wonderful. And you wonder what was holding you back so long. Jump in, start decluttering, make it a commitment. Be strong with yourself, be disciplined, and say, I'm going to do this, and it is going to be fun, because in the end, I'm going to enjoy the outcome so much. That's it. So no, clutter is not boring. I mean, clutter is boring. Decluttering is not boring. Have a great day.